Hello guys, today I will try to help you with speed up lag issue in FIFA 21 that we are all facing and trying to fix, but it is so hard and honestly I don't know what to do anymore, because I literally tried everything and still facing this, but it happened me a lot less after I did these steps. I hope it is gonna work for you. Last weekend league or foot champs, however you want to call it, I played 30 games and it happened me only once in one game, so it's pretty less than it used to happen before. It was like usually 7 or 10 games I would get this speed lag issue in my 30 games in weekend league. So getting like one speed up lag in 30 games, it's more than successful and more than good job, and I think it's good. I'm okay with that. If it's gonna happen me only once in 30 games, it's okay. So first step, what you should try to do, this maybe helped me and maybe not, I'm not sure, but I was talking to EA support and EA manager on forum, and he told me for these steps. So it's for someone who is knowing they game and their servers better than me. So first thing is to add ports to your internet router. You have to log in into your just IP, like here's my IP address. You just have to find your IP address and copy here, and I'll just show you like this. You go to Google, you open IP, and then you type your, you usually, if you don't know what is you gotta have on your router or somewhere, username and password if you never change it. If you don't know, if you can't find out, you just can call your internet provider and they will give you account name and new password. So you type it, my router is Huawei, so it's Huawei, why it's here. You just log in and then you go like forward rules, or it will be different on other routers, I'm not sure. You go port, just a second, you can see how I added. You have on EA site, I will add in description link, you can read what are ports. It give you like a better connection between your router and server you are playing on. You can do it for all games, EA games, and you can do it on PC, Xbox, PlayStation, or wherever you're playing. Setting blah blah blah, don't, okay, wait, here is it for PC, for PlayStation, Xbox, you can see for everything. You just go new, okay, you can type just here port forwarding server, whatever, and wait, I will show you how I, okay, I'm not gonna create new, cancel, port, this is it. You just have to add your IP address here, and then you go protocol, UDP, TSP, you just add these numbers, you see 443, you add here 4443, you must copy and paste the same literally and make the new one TCP. It's 80, you just copy, you see 80 80 80 443, again the same, and it's for platform you are playing PC, and then you must find for the game you want. Obviously we are trying to do for FIFA, so we go here PC FIFA, and you have the numbers, and you just copy again the same, you see, like, and you have to do all these numbers, if they all cannot put here, you gotta create new one like I did, you see, and you just have to apply, and then you can log out. That's it for this. Someone said it could change your ping or something like that. I don't know, my ping was the same. It even improved my ping. it is not worse. After this, so this is what I was talking about. We are trying to fix this when it's happening. We all know this is my video I already recorded. So frustrating. The next step should be you have to disable your antivirus and in-game origin overlay. When I disabled antivirus, my game never crashed again. I have this speed up lag issue still, but my game never crashed again. So I guess it helped me. And if you don't know how to disable in-game overlay, you just go here. You go origin, application settings, origin in-game, and you just have disable here like this. Also you can disable your all notifications like it's here on mine, you can see. So that's for origin. I would say change DNS. This one is the like the most that helped me changing DNS address. After this I faced really less this speed up lag issue. So usually they told me to use the Google DNS, but I think it's the best and it's most safe like to use. You have it here, you can read it. I will post it all links in description. What is it? And it's again connecting you to the closest and nearest server to your router, so you're gonna have better ping and connection. You know, you are not gonna have package loss, which goes to speed up lag issue. So here's the DNS IP address. You have to add these numbers, and how to do that? You need to go network. You type here, and then you go network and sharing center. You have see here internet. If you're playing on Wi-Fi, then you will see Wi-Fi, but doesn't matter, you just have to click there. Okay, we go properties, we go internet protocol version 4. You see, you double click on it, and then you will have clean 0 numbers. Here you have to click use the following DNS server, and you have to add these numbers, so like it's here 88888844. You see, just exactly like here. And after that you have to click validate settings upon exit, and you press OK. It will show you like this, troubleshooting, blah blah blah, that doesn't matter, it's saved, and you are done. And I think this one helped me the most, because as I might be boring, but I really want to explain you. After this I played 30 games in the last weekend league last week, and it happened me only once in one game speed up lag issue, and it was like only a few seconds. It was all good. I don't know, is it because of the new patch, or it is because these steps I did. So the next thing you wanna do is try to lock your FPS and put your game settings on auto. How to do that? You just go my game library, you go play on your game settings, and you put I'm using the highest resolution. You put rendering quality auto and MSI options auto, and you try to lock FPS. I don't like to play limit on FPS, then I'm facing tearing on my monitor and my game is not smooth. So I like to lock FPS. You can try on 60. If it's not that working, try to lock on 30. But on 30 you will have problems with cast sense. It will be laggy. Try to lock first on 60. Just press OK. And try enabling. I know that vertical scenes or signs, however you call it, it will add delay, input delay, and I don't like to use it in first person shooters like CSGO, PUBG for example, but honestly in FIFA that delay you are not gonna feel it. So also you wanna do here, if you are using on, I'm not sure how it's on AMD graphics cards, but I guess you can find, you just have to use not use my preference, and you put performance overall quality. You see, just apply. It's automatically set up on performance. Sorry, my tongue got. And also you're gonna add. You put add here. If you don't see FIFA, then you find add launcher, and it will be on highest. You see, refresh rate available, high performance, and what you can do if your game is not smooth or something, you can try to use vertical scenes on. Especially you can use fast. I'm usually using fast because it's giving like zero delay and game is so smooth. If you have these options, I don't know which graphic card you use, because on some graphic cards you are not gonna have. I'm using this graphic card, so on some you don't have this option, but if you have, you put. If don't, you just go on and try to put on and try to apply, then you see, or adaptive, whatever, just try to do something, doesn't matter. You have to just do something and it will give you smoother gameplay. I don't know how much it will give you input lag, so you're gonna try that. If it's like zero input lag, I mean you don't feel it maybe, but definitely game you're gonna be smoother and you should try it. And also what you can try to do is updating your Windows. You go just Windows update settings, check for updates. If you have something, try to update like net framework or some applications. You see, I checked, I'm done, nothing. That's it. Also what you can try to do is go for graphic cards. You go and check your, I guess you have, if you have Nvidia or AMD graphic card, doesn't matter, you have to go on AMD. I think it's the same. In control panel you have like this, check for updates. We have the latest game ready driver already, so we are done. So there is only one more solution you can try. As I told you, changing DNS helped me like a little bit. I mean adding ports helped me a little, but changing DNS helped me like the most, because it was the last step I did last week, and speed up lag issue happened me really less than it was before. Only 1 in 30 games. It was amazing for me. I will take that every weekend league if it's possible, but I'm not sure if that was due to new patch that was released on Thursday or Friday when it was. And while I'm recording this, there was already one today new patch, so I'm not sure. And the last step you can try, I read on forums and websites that people are really using it and it's helping them. It's changing the path on your hard drive or SSD drive, what are you using. So it's like I have only one SSD drive and I put my USB drive, so I heard that you can use it with USB or whatever. You just have to go documents, you see, you go properties, location, and you're gonna see where they are now, and you go move. But after that you have to do for somewhere. If you have other disk you can do it, but I don't have, so I will use it on USB. You see, I put USB. I'm gonna create documents. I'm then gonna back to documents here, properties, location, move, and you're gonna find documents. You go to here. I mean, if you have another SSD, HDD or whatever, you're gonna do it on the other. I have only one SSD and I don't have any partition, and I don't wanna create now because I have USB, and I heard that it works also with USB drive, so I'm gonna try it like this. I'm just deleted it because I wanted to show you. And go documents, and you then go select, and you just see I change it's E now, and you just go apply, and then it will transfer to the other like this. You see, do you want to move? Yes, I want. And then you go okay, and for some reason it helped you, I don't know, but people say that it worked for them. Honestly, I tried and it didn't work for me. I'm gonna say again, like, the most thing that worked for me was the changing DNS Google. It was these numbers. So I guess you have to try all of this. I'm not sure if it's gonna help you totally, because again, I'm saying that it's still, I'm facing this thing, especially in friendlies, even in squad battles games. So I guess it's not to my internet, not to my PC. It's something caused by the game, by patch, by I'm not sure, update, by something. But anyways, you can try do it, and you can let me know if in comments if it's happen you more often or less after you did these steps, and let me know what you think about this. I really wanted to share you with this with you, sorry, these steps I tried, because we are all facing this issue and it's so unplayable, especially in weekend league. It's so frustrating when it happens. If someone don't know what I'm talking about, it's here. When I recorded this video here on 25 October, so it's like a half month and a half ago. You can see it stopped, and you can see this. It's so frustrating. It always let me concede 1 or 2 goals and losing my games, and like always choking Elite 3 in foot champs. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I wanted to make a video a little bit shorter, but it's hard to explain all these steps. I hope you understand me. Sorry for my English mistakes if I had in my language. I mean, it's not my primary language, sorry. And let me know if in comment if these steps worked for you. Thanks. Bye bye.